That's right. You know I'm excited for Deadpool and Wolverine. But either way, today I'm gonna be. Hold up. Using this. That's right. It's a confetti cannon. Shoots out confetti. You understand? But what I'm gonna do is aim it at my belly, right here, if you will. And even though it says not to, but I'll be alright. I watch the internet. I see people accidentally doing it all the time. So I should be fine. Hopefully. Shouldn't be too bad. So without further ado, let's test this thing out. Alright, hold on. Do my belly. Now that I'm getting to the point where it's about to happen, I'm actually a little nervous. I shouldn't be, but I am. Alright. And the mask is a good idea because I can't see. Hopefully it's aiming at my belly. And I'm hoping you can see it. So, without further ado, here we go. 3, 2, 1. It won't go. What? Go. Oh. Go. Oh. Wow. Way more force than I expected it. Hell yeah. Oh, I can't see, but I know it's there. Woo! Yeah, let's fucking go. Your neighborhood friendly Wolverine here for a quick update. It's only been maybe, honestly, less than a minute. And this is basically what it cost. I don't know if you can see it, but it's red down there. This thing's a little bit, definitely right here. Not as much over here, but right here. Ouch. Yeah.